Your internet suddenly goes down, or you're outside with a laptop or tablet that desperately needs a connection. There's no Wi-Fi around, but your Xiaomi Redmi A5 still has mobile data. What many people don't realize is that your phone can instantly become a portable Wi-Fi router and share its connection with other devices. Here's how to activate and set up a Wi-Fi hotspot on Android 15. Before you start, make sure your phone is connected to the internet using mobile data or Wi-Fi. Once confirmed, open the Settings app. Find and tap Network and Internet. Next, tap Hotspot and Tethering. Turn on the switch next to Wi-Fi Hotspot to activate it immediately. When it's on, you'll see the hotspot icon appear at the top of the screen, confirming that other devices can now connect. To customize your hotspot, tap Wi-Fi Hotspot. Here you can change the hotspot name by tapping Hotspot Name, entering your preferred name, then tap OK. To secure your connection, tap Hotspot Password. Enter a new password and tap OK to save it. To avoid unnecessary data usage, turn on the switch next to Turn Off Hotspot Automatically. This makes your phone disable the hotspot when no devices are connected. If you want more control, tap More Hotspot Settings, then tap Max Connections and choose how many devices are allowed to connect at the same time. You can change these settings anytime by returning to the Wi-Fi Hotspot menu. Once you're done configuring your hotspot settings, you can connect your other devices by tapping your Redmi A5's hotspot name from the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Be sure to enter the correct hotspot password to ensure connection is successful. For quicker access, you can also turn the hotspot on or off from the notification panel. Swipe down to open it, tap the hotspot icon to toggle it, or long press the icon to jump straight into hotspot settings. And that's it. When internet access matters most, your phone can save the day. If this helped you share your connection using your Redmi A5, give it a like or watch another tutorial to learn more practical features. Thanks for watching.